Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it is Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018 in the Daystar booth alongside Chris. What is going on with Daystar this year?
Oh, we've got a lot going on, and, with all of our new products that have come out and some of these new things that we've got. Let me show you here what we've got. This is one of the new items that we have is our new shock guards. This is a little bit of a different spin off of what your traditional shock boot. What this does is that this can be installed without taking the shocks off,
Which is a big deal.
Oh, absolutely. And it gives you the full protection on the shock piston so that it won't get hit by rocks or mud and things like that. It gives you good protection, gives you a little bit different a look. Very simple to install and very reasonably priced.
Well, and what are shocks if they're not going to last? I love up here, you look at the description, nearly indestructible. That's awesome.
Yes. So, obviously, like if something does hit that shock piston there and it even nicks it a little bit, it's going to come down, it's going to cut the seal, and then the shock is done. Then you got to go and replace it. Here you got a $15 part for a pair of these shock guards, and they protect the investment of your shocks, and they give you a good look.
They give you a good look and they give you a good ride. Also, a lot of people talking about the tariffs and this and that. These are made in the USA.
That's a really good point. All of our product is made in the USA, and we're proud of that. So we design and manufacture all of our product in Phoenix, Arizona.
And if you have large members in your family, these nice shocks, you're probably going to want these.
Absolutely. Now, these are shock guards, not the actual shocks, but this is to show you that these will fit on every.
No, they absolutely will, but I'm telling you, you need to guard as much as you possibly can when you have big members of your family.
Absolutely.
Especially the refrigerator on Thanksgiving. Let's go check these out. And Chris, now we're taking a look at the body bushing mount kit. You were telling me a lot of people who have some slightly older Ford F-250s and F-350s are seeing that their bushings maybe aren't up to snuff.
Yeah, so what's happening is as these customers are modifying their vehicles and they're getting into the motor compartments, what happens is they're pulling the bodies off of these trucks and they're finding that the body bushings are completely destroyed. So what we're doing is we're offering a new body bushing here that comes complete with all the hardware, all the proper cups, the proper sleeves, and a polyurethane bushing, which is virtually indestructible. And those run about half the price of the factory body bushings. So it's a great, easy install, and it's something that's needed on some of these older vehicles.
Well, that's going to be music to your ears if you're one of the people who's having to go to Ford and pay twice the price for something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. That is, you're saving your customer some money, plus they're getting a better product.
Now, those shock guards are going to be available soon. Are these available right now?
These are available right now. There is a new part number, but they started shipping about a month ago.
Well, there you go. Save yourself some money and also save your vehicle with those shock guards over there. Thank you so much, my friend. Kyle live at SEMA 2018. And again, you can pick these up at MidwestAftermarket.com, or if you have any questions, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll see you in a bit.